Hey there! This machine is suitable for milling various holes and grooves of aluminum door and window profiles, especially for door lock processing. Equipped with high-precision linear guide pairs, ball screws, gear racks, and imported Delta servo motors, it ensures stable movement and boasts high positioning and machining accuracy. The X and Y axes are driven by gear racks, while the Z axis adopts lead screw transmission. The spindle can be freely switched between three positions, 90, 0, and plus 90, enabling milling of three surfaces with a single clamping. Spindle rotation is precisely positioned by a Delta servo motor paired with a reducer. Adopting a Delta CNC control system, its intelligent operation and concise, intuitive human-machine interface make operation more convenient and efficient. Additionally, a Delta servo motor drives the worktable to avoid tool collisions, ensuring safer, labor-saving, and hassle-free operation. With the advantages of high processing efficiency, high precision, stable and reliable performance, and easy operation, this machine is an essential choice for automating the milling of various holes and grooves in door and window profiles.